Stop buying flavored microwave popcorn. Seriously, it's like $1 a bag full of weird chemicals, and guess what? You can make the same thing for just 10 cents with just this simple bag, popcorn kernels, and some flavoring. Watch this. All you're gonna do is add 2 tablespoons of popcorn kernels to a plain paper bag. No oil, no butter yet. Fold it over a couple of times, tight enough to stay closed, but loose enough to pop. Throw it in the microwave for about 1:30 or hit your popcorn button and walk away like a popcorn wizard. Boom, fresh popcorn, but we're not done yet. Now while it's still hot, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of butter, a couple shakes of cinnamon, and maybe 2 tablespoons of sugar. Shake it up real good so all the yummy goodness gets all over all the popcorn. Dump it out and boom, there you go. I'm MJ from loadedpotato.org and I make shelf-stable meals, snacks, and lazy cooking hacks that'll save you time, money, and your fridge space. Want more cheat codes like this? Follow me and check out loadedpotato.org for delicious 5-minute pantry-only meals, no chopping, no dicing, no stress, and popcorn night for just 10 cents. Dinner, snack, victory.